Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm by name Ian Price and I'm back again guys in another video. I always come each and every week and then show you guys some price action of what is really currently happening to the market and what is really gonna happen, and to give you some opportunity into the market, some good entries, some good trades where you can come and then jump into in the coming weeks. So I urge you to go down there and tap onto the subscribe button, so whenever I'll be releasing any video, you'll be the first person to come and watch this video guys, because the moment I release this video and you come and watch it in 5 to 4 days to come, and by that time probably the market has already moved on. So go down there, tap onto the subscribe button, and then like, comments, and give me any kind of question, any kind of price you want me to analyze for you. So for now, thank you guys, and let's go straight to our video. So today guys, I'm having some pairs to trade that I'm seeing it's gonna start moving. Actually, I'm not gonna take much of your time, so stay tuned. The first pair I want to talk about, it's Euro USD guys. Let's first see what Euro USD is currently doing in the market. We could see Euro USD is trending right now bullish. Everything is pretty much bullish. This is my weekly time frame guys. You could see from my weekly time frame. Let's first go to a monthly time frame, see what's truly. You could see from my monthly time frame, everything is pretty bullish, and the market right now it's at around this demand zone right here, as you can see. And the market is at this demand zone right here. So if I have to go in my weekly time frame and see right now, the market has come to the third touch of the trend line. And how was I able to connect this trend line guys? I came into a daily time frame. I came into a daily time frame again and then just connected the two lower lows guys, this one and then this one, then I just roll it all over to here, and you could say the market is coming to the third touch of the trend line. So let's first go to weekly time frame and see. My internet is kind of weak. So right now, as you can see, the market is pretty bullish, and the market seems like has already dropped into a 50% retracement, as you can see, and this is the third touch of the trend line. And I always tell you guys, where the trend line and the support and counter trend line, they meet together, and the Fibonacci, it's always a very strong zone whereby anytime the market can just blow up to the rock guys. So let's first see in a daily time frame and see what is really now pretty much happening in a daily time frame, because my daily, my weekly, everything is pretty bullish. As you can see, I've just connected this lower lows, this one and this one, then roll it all the way to here, and that's why you see this down the third touch of the trend line. So how will I be able to enter into this trade? Because I'm only coming for a buy trade guys, because even this trade uh here is around Fibonacci. If you can draw your Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, we could see guys right now the market at 61.8 61.8 guys percent guys. So this is where the market right now is. So how am I going to be able to enter into this buy trade guys? Because I'm longing this trade to my overall target, which is at around 1.2200 or 1.2300 guys. That's why my overall TP is. But my first TP, if I'm to enter this trade, is gonna be at around 1.1800 guys. This is why my first TP is gonna be, because I was like taking some of my profit at 100% retracement before going any more further. So we could say trend line is okay, support is okay, everything is okay. But bro, the market is full of uncertainty. Anything can happen to the market. That's why you need to always follow away, always make a plan for your trades that's gonna be coming. Because anytime in a zone, the market can like just drop all the way to down here. But as long as this trend line continue holding this market, I'm still gonna long this trade. But if the market breaks all the way to down here, then I will just be patient and wait for much more clear opportunity into the market. But right now the market is still holding, this trend line is still holding, and I'm still gonna be going with this one. So how am I gonna be able to enter into this trade guys? Simple, only the market to break above this counter trend line. in a 4 hour mostly, because I always tell you guys, me, I enter my trades in a 4 hour, not a daily. I always enter in a 4 hour. As you can see right now, you could see even the market right now is trying to form a double a double bottom to the upside. So I'm just gonna wait for the market in a 4 hour to break above here like this, guys. I'll wait for the market to break above here and then give me some small retest, and then I jump into it, and then at the 100% I will take some of my profit out, and then let the rest of it to roll, to just let it flow all the way to my overall prime targets. And the moment the market start going, and I will come back and then give you guys more opportunity into this trade, guys, because I'm seeing this trade is pretty much juicy, but you can't be so confident into this kind of trade because anything can happen into this market. You can be confident, but always need to be having a room for error. Anything that's gonna happen into the market, guys. So always use a very good risk management that can help you to stay longer into your, that can help you to maintain your capital longer so you can gain more and more, guys. So right now, this is what I'm seeing right now into Euro USD, and I'll be waiting for whatever is gonna happen in Euro USD, mostly in these coming weeks to come. But I'm seeing everything is pretty much bullish, everything's to all the way to the upside. So let's go to another pair, guys, which is a GBP USD, guys. GBP USD has been kind of a little bit bearish, but I've come to Euro GBP USD has now come to a very good place of value, as you guys could see right here. GBP USD, you could say GBP USD has been kind of pretty much bearish in the past 3 weeks, and I'm saying right now GBP USD has now come into a place where a very strong demand zone where anytime soon can just blow up all the way to the upside, guys. So how am I saying? I'm saying I'm still longing. I'm still gonna long into GBP USD. I'm not buying. I'm not selling anything in GBP USD. As long as the market stay above this support here at around 1 point, as long as the market stay above the support at around 1.1, 1.34080, I'm still gonna be longing into this trade right now. So right now, GPUSD at a very good support zone, and if you bring your counter trend, if you bring your main trend line, your major trend line, you could see the mark and the trend line. It's still also holding the market right now. If I'm connect my the lower lows of my, you could see right now the market still holding this trade, guys. Right now the market has dropped into the third touch of the trend line, and I always tell you guys, the third touch of a trend line, it always does a trick. It does a trick whereby if you if you are kind of in a rush, you might just jump into a trade whereby you never should have. That's why you gotta be patient and wait for that kind of good opportunity for you guys to jump into this market. Because that touch of a trend line always give you that kind of fake out. That's whereby it always like stopping people out. That's why I'm gonna be patient and wait for that juicy opportunity. So how am I going to be entering into this trade, guys? You guys could see even if I connect uh, my Fibonacci, everything is pretty much everything. You could say, bro, everything. My trend line, my Fibonacci, my support are all meeting in the same zone, which shows this level is at a very strong point of value whereby you need just to be patient and wait for that juicy opportunity to enter into this market. Because right now I'm seeing longings only. Longings, I'm just gonna be longing into this trade. So how am I going to enter this trade? I will just go into 4 hour. I'll go into 4 hour and then wait for the market to break above this counter trend line. Wait for the market to break above this counter trend line right like this. Breaks above it and then close above and then give me that small retest and then take this market all the way to the upside. And guys, this here is my first TP where I'm gonna take some of my profit. I always at 100%, I always take my 50% of my profit and then bring my entity to break even and then keep on looking into more opportunity to long the trade all the way to my overall prime target, which is at 1.4300, guys. So everything is pretty much bullish in GBP USD, as long, even though the past 3 weeks everything has been bearish, I'm still seeing only bullish momentum here, guys. So right now, let's just be patient and wait for whatever the market is gonna do into this market. But I always leave rooms for error, guys, because the market is full of uncertainty. The market is just it's a probability game whereby anything can happen into the market, guys. So this is what I'm gonna do. Wait for the market to break above. That's when I'll come and then jump into this trade and then roll it all the way to my overall prime target, guys. So let's go to the third pairs. My third pair, which is USD chef, guys. USD chef has been pretty much bearish, and so far I've made some good amount of money from USD chef. I remember last time when I give you guys my entry was somewhere around here. This way I jump into my GBP, my USD chef, and then my stop loss was above the break, above the structure, and then roll it all the way to here. It was around 1 to 3 risk to reward, and it was a very good risk to reward. Right now, I'm out of this trader, but I'm still looking for more opportunity to take this trade all the way to its overall prime target, which is at 0.7600, guys. This is my overall prime target of uh USD chef, guys. I know probably people might they will start asking GPA USD chef from down here there are no levels. Then how were you able to get this prime target of US, guys? It is simple, guys. I came and measured from here the amount of pips whereby the market kept on consolidating up here. I just came and measured the amount of pips the market was consolidating up here, guys. Just like this, and then bring it all the way to the downside. If you could see the same amount of pips whereby the market was consolidating up here, once the market has broken the pattern, it will be the same amount of pips the market would roll all the way to the same amount of pips, guys. So that's why I came and then got this level right here, and I make it to be at the even number, because the market always really like respecting the even numbers, guys. So that's my overall prime target of USD chip. So what am I seeing in USD chip? I'm still seeing more bearish momentum in USD chip, because as you can see, my weekly time frame is still pretty much bullish. Everything is bullish, bullish, bullish. And if you come to a daily time frame, I got some. If you come to a daily time frame, guys, you could see I when I came to a daily time frame, I just brought my major trend line like this. Uh, I joined the two higher highs, and that's how I came. You could see now the market is currently at its third touch of the trend line, which always like doing a trick. This is the first. This was the first confirmation, and then the second confirmation was like this, guys. I brought my Fibonacci 2 from the swing high, swing low. We could see the market is also meeting at a 61.8%, guys. So which shows that the market right now is at 61. I mean, is at already at around the market right now is at already 50% retracement, which is at a very strong level, guys. So right now I'm saying everything is pretty much bullish, because my trend line, my support, and my Fibonacci, they all met at the same zone, guys. So how am I going to enter into this trade? It's pretty much simple. I'm gonna go and first move this one, guys. How am I going to enter into this trade, guys? It's pretty much simple. I'm gonna go to 4 hour, where I always take my trades from. Come into 4 hour, wait for the market to break below my counter trend line, guys, because I always like waiting for a very good opportunity. I don't just jump into market anyhow, guys. Wait for the market to break above. Yeah, then maybe give me some small retest like this, and then roll it all the way to my overall prime target, guys. and always I put my stop loss below the structure, whereby if I jump somewhere here, my stop loss is gonna be above here, because I want to leave more rooms for error, guys, in case of anything that's gonna happen, because market is full of uncertainty, bro. I want to be leaving room for errors. I want it like whenever I jump into a trade, I just want to go and then sit and then be doing some other stuff and don't be thinking of my trades, because the moment you put your stop loss into be so tight, and you will always be think of, let me go and check, or maybe the market has already stopped me, maybe the market is about to reach my stop. But the moment you give that very good space for the room of error, and you know how much money you are risking, and how that money you can afford to lose, you will just be so patient and wait for whatever the market does, bro, because you're so much confident into your uh, potential, because you know this is what I'm ready to lose. I'm ready to lose whatever the market does. I'm okay with whatever the market is gonna do. So in such a way, you'll be much more patient into the market, and that's how I started gaining my being patient in the market, more especially the moment I jump into the trade. Because the moment I jump into a trade, I can spend the whole day not checking up my trades, guys, because I've given so much room for the error in whatever is gonna happen to the market. So guys, welcome. This was my 3 good pairs that I wanted to give you guys, and I urge you to go down there, tap onto the subscribe button, and then give me your likes and comment, and then give me any kind of question and more, so the kind of pairs you want me to analyze for you guys. And I give I thank you guys for staying tuned and coming to the end of our video, and just stay tuned and then wait for more and more videos coming, more especially I want to start even talking more about psychology and how mostly my journey and how I'm still growing in becoming a profitable trader, mostly in swing trading, guys. So right now we have come to the end of the video, and I'm by name Ian Price, I'm a swing trader, and thank you guys, and peace out, guys.